Hi and welcome to the career preview of ProLife UK. My name is Akina Hasmin, an executive unit manager. So the person who sent you this video would probably want to share with you yung kagandahan ng opportunity ng pagiging financial advisor in ProLife. So our agenda for today is pag-uusapan po natin yung tungkol sa company, culture, career, compensation, challenges, as well as the coding process. So to start off, about the company, our company is called ProLife UK. And ang mother company natin, which is Prudential PLC, ay nakabase sa United Kingdom. We have been existing for the past more than 175 years na po. So sobrang stable ng company. Pero sa Philippine setting, tayo po ay more than 25 years nang nagra-run. Tayo din po yung nag-pioneer ng tinatawag na variable insurance o yung VUL. No? So for your information, there are two types of insurance. Yan yung traditional and variable. Yung traditional, yun yung kliyente maghuhulog buwan-buwan. Kapag may nangyari, may makiklaim na pera. Pero pag walang nangyari, thank you na. Yung VUL naman, or variable unit link, yun ay yung kliyente maghuhulog buwan-buwan. Kapag may nangyari, may pera. Pero pag walang nangyari, hindi nagkasakit, hindi aksidente, may pera pa rin po silang natatanggap. Kasi part ng hinuhulog nila ay ini-invest po sa mga blue chip companies, no, na later on, kung kakailanganin natin for education or retirement, they can withdraw. So, dahil may involved na investment component yung ating plan, meron po tayong partner ng mga fund managers such as yung Eastspring Investment and yung Atram, which are one of the best fund managers in Asia. Now, ito po yung mga offices natin all over the globe. Alright? Now, tungkol naman sa culture ng team na sasalihan nyo po, our team name is called Titanium Heroes under Titanium 5 branch. Ang office po natin ay nakabase in Makati, Ayala North Exchange. Katabi lang po yan ng Makati Med. So, let me introduce yung management team. So, yours truly po, Akina, Hasmin, is a licensed chemical engineer by profession before joining. So, bakit ako nasa ProLife? Meron lang po talaga akong thread of discontent in terms of income tsaka career growth. And that's what I saw here in ProLife, kaya andito po ako ngayon. And beside me po, in this photo, is si Sir Rafael Sahot. Ang background niya naman, he came from a very poor family po, no? From Bicol. Marami silang magkakapatid, walang nakatungtong ng college, farmer yung parents. Kaya talagang nagsipag at nakipagsabalaran po siya kung ano-anong trabaho yung pinasok. Pumunta po siya ng Manila, lumuwas. Wala pong matirhan kung saan sa natutulog. Pero nung nag-meet po kami at in-introduce ko yung opportunity, dahil sa sipag at tiyaga niya, he became one of the first junior unit manager of the company. And nakapag-travel na rin po siya sa international places such as yung Switzerland. And beside me also is Miss Marites Salvadora. And background niya, she used to be a senior credit analyst sa isang multinational company. Maganda yung income, malaki, pero meron siyang kinukulangan siya pagdating sa oras, yung time freedom na tinatawag. Kaya sinubukan niya po yung ProLife part-time. And after 3 months po, natapatan at nalagpasan pa yung income, kaya naman she went full-time. Right now, she is also a junior unit manager, and she was also able to qualify to our international trips such as Switzerland. And ito naman pong dalawa, no? Both are si Sir Vanjan Banawa and si Miss Ted Petalio. Both are from the BPO industry. No? Dekada nang nagtatrabaho, especially si Sir Van. And sabi nga niya, habang tumatagal, hindi tayo pabata. So, he's looking for a career na magkakaroon siya ng work-life balance para may time sa family, no, sa personal din, sa pag-gym. So, ginalingan din naman dito talaga. And si Miss Tet, ganun din. Gusto niya na magkaroon ng mas maraming time kasama din yung bagong binibuild niyang family. My former classmate also. So, right now, these two person are for promotion na po also as junior unit managers. And also, ito namang dalawa dito, si Miss May, an achiever of our team, and Miss Joy De Vera, no, another core leader. No, both of them are former OFWs. And lastly is si Sir Romeo Guevara, a Gen Z, the youngest member of the management team, only 23 years old. So ang pinanggalingan niya naman is nasa support team, no, ng airline company. Pero sobrang galing na performer kasi in his first few months, ang dami na po niyang na-qualify ng mga trips. So, kung mapapansin nyo, everybody is in a diverse background. Ang common lang po sa kanila, nangagigil po sa pangarap nila at talagang yung heart nila is to serve yung team. Alright? So, another wonderful thing about this career and this culture, this team na sasalihan nyo is we are home of achievers. So, ano naman kung home of achievers? If you're familiar with the law of influence, the 5 person closest to you right now, ang average po ng lifestyle nila, ng buhay nila, ng income nila, ikaw yun. And if you become part of the team na maraming achievers, most likely, few months or years from now, ikaw na rin. Kasi yung magiging exchange of best practices, magiging madali lang dahil andyan sila. Right? So, another nice thing about this career is yung ino-offer na time flexibility. So, hindi po tayo kagaya sa corporate setup na may clock in, clock out. So, ito nga like last time we went to Bataan, Las Casas. It was even a busy Monday or Tuesday. At dyan lang kami nag-decide mag-meeting at mag-bonding. So, hawak talaga yung oras. And fun po ang ating working environment. Ang saya lang po kasi talagang magtrabaho na hindi mo nararamdamang nagtatrabaho ka dahil yung mga kasamahan mo ay puro lang saya. No? So yan po ang meron sa aming team. And of course, free travel incentives. ProLife UK is known to be one of the most generous company pagdating sa pagpapatravel at pagpapamper ng kanyang mga advisors. Kagaya nito, we already went to Switzerland and Dubai and soon in Vietnam, no, and Japan and Australia. Ayan, yan yung mga nag-qualify sa aming team. So these are the travel destinations this year, no? Like Vietnam, Australia, Portugal, Japan, New Zealand, Spain. So samahan niyo po kami dyan, ha? So kung mapapansin niyo, yan lang naman yung mga bansa na kung saan nagpapadala si ProLife and hindi sila mga basta-basta lang ng mga countries. So, supportive mentors and leaders, yan pa yung isa sa pinaka-na-appreciate ko about this career kasi napaka-generous nila ng pagbibigay ng advices on how we can do this work easier. No? Yung wisdom is, andun talaga na ma-appreciate mo siya, kaya mapadali po yung trabaho. And nakaganda nun, one text away lang. Very accessible ang ating mga managers. So, tungkol naman sa career, you will become a licensed financial consultant. I-manifest na natin yan. So, ano ba talaga yung mga financial advisor? Before, ang thinking natin sa mga financial advisor, yung mga tumanda sa profession nila na hindi masyado nag-fly high, kaya ang fallback nag-ahente na lang, mga hard sellers, makukulit. So yun ay noon. Pero ngayon, pag sinabi kasing financial advisor, usually nasa virtual meeting yan, no? Nasa setup ng online. What do? We educate, we give value. We introduce financial planning, yung importance ng pag-iipon sa future such as education, funding, and retirement. Tinuturo po namin yun sa mga kliyente, especially yung importance na meron tayong foundation of having a life insurance, no? And we are composed of different professionals, all walks of life. Some of them are even influencers and vloggers. So talagang minamaximize yung social media platform for marketing. So how do we do this career? Simply, we start a conversation to our friends and family by this question: where do people save? So usually ang sagot nila dyan, di ba, sa bangko. So sa bangko, ang nangyayari kasi, say for example, si Juan, mag-ipon siya ng 5,000 per month. So in 1 year, that's 60,000. Plus cute na interest. And kapag nagkasakit siya ng critical illness after 1 year, what happens sa pera niya sa bangko? Zero. And last time I checked, walang 60,000 na critical illness. Usually million. So this is where we come in to introduce yung tool na to, no? Na why not we save sa ProLife UK savings account? So, sa isang insurance company, wherein ganun din, mag-ipon tayo monthly. Pero the difference is, kapag na-diagnose si client ng critical illness anytime, sabihin natin 3 months pa lang siya nag-uhulog, makakatanggap siya ng 2 million emergency fund. Ang kagandahan nun, kasi yung pondong yan, wala nang kailangan pagpilian pang accredited clinic or hospital. Basta cash niya yan matatanggap and siya bahala kung saan niya gusto magpagamot. Pero kung hindi naman magkasakit, after 16 years of saving, the money can grow up to 1.1 million. And it can be used for educational funding, or kung hindi man gagamitin sa pag-aaral dahil scholar yung bata, sa ibang bagay like capital for a business. Pero for example, after 16 years, hindi ka kailanganin yung pera, continuous saving lang. After 30 years, the money can grow ng 5.5 million na pwedeng gamitin for retirement. No? Try to compute with me. 60,000 per years of saving. In 30 years, 1.8 million lang po yun. Pero bakit naging 5.5? That's because naka-invest na po siya, no? Sa mga blue chip companies, that's why nag-grow and kumikita din po tayo. And when worst comes to worst, kapag ginuha na ni Lord yung client, no, dahil expire na siya sa earth, meron pa rin matatanggap na 3 million life insurance proceeds yung family. So if one is a father who have dependents, like let's say may mga anak siya, with or without him on the picture, masisecure niya yung future ng mga bata. So that's what life insurance is all about. And maganda na parehas tayo meron nito. May ipon sa bangko, meron pa tayong life insurance. So that's how we discuss to our clients, and iba-iba yung capability to save nila. Yung kagandahan nun, kasi pwede naman po i-tailor fit based on their budget and on their need. So pwedeng 2,000, 3,000, 10,000. So may equivalent din po yung mga benefits and projected funds, no? So more importantly, just think about this, no? Bakit sobrang na-appreciate namin ito? For example, try to imagine with me, yesterday you got diagnosed with a critical illness and kailangan ng, sabi ng doktor, hanggang mamayang 12:00 lang yung buhay mo. Pero pwedeng ma-extend kung makaka-provide ka ng 1,000,000 bago mag 12:00 mamaya. Ang tanong, saan mo kukunin yung pera? Option number one, withdraw sa bangko. Kung may ipon sa bangko. Unfortunately, for the past several years na ginagawa ko tong trabaho, 1 out of 10 lang ang meron. And yung 1 na yun, hindi pa umabot ng milyon. So kapag hindi enough yung pera sa bangko, that's the time na we ask help from our relatives, which I doubt na may mabibigay ng 1,000,000. Kung meron, thank you. Pero kung wala, paano na? That's the time na magre-reach out tayo sa friends, 'di ba? Yung magpo-post sa Facebook, magpi-PM. Merong mga gano'n na nangyayari ngayon. And for some, they even sell their properties. Imagine yung ilang taon na pinaghirapan ng mga assets, pambili ng bahay, lupa. In a snap of a finger, ang bilis lang mawala dahil sa sakit. Or why not we use this option na lang, no? Now, we get it na lang from our life insurance policy, which is yun naman talaga yung purpose nun eh. Para hindi na natin ma-experience yung mga bagay na to. So that's what we send, no? Yun yung mensahe na sinasabi namin sa mga kliyente whenever we have face-to-face with them. Now, how are financial advisors being compensated? So earn as a financial professional and a business person. So to be straightforward with you, we are earning up to 45% commission. So for simplicity po, eto po, pakitaan ko kayo nito. For example, you list down 15 na kakilala mo, family, friends, colleagues, na you think will benefit of having an insurance policy. And beside their name, sulat mo yung amount na kaya nilang i-save per month. So assuming na lahat sila ay kaya mag-save ng 5,000 per month, 45% of that, that's 2,250 per month per client. So kung 15 sila, that's 33,750 additional income. And ang kagandahan nun, tuloy-tuloy po yung income na yan every month, no? Hanggang 5 years may papasok po tayo na commission. Eh what if on the second year, nagkaroon ka uli ng 15 clients? So dodoble po ito. Kung third month, ganun ulit, titriple po siya. Kaya talagang sky is the limit. No? So ito rin po yung career path na naghihintay sa atin if you want to pursue, no, the agency building. So we're gonna start as an agent and later on, we can be promoted. So earning 15 to 100,000 per month. Later on, pwedeng maging assistant unit manager earning 30 to 150,000 per month. How to get promoted? Hindi siya kagaya na sa corporate setup na kailangan mong hintayin na mag-resign yung boss mo or kunin ng iba or mag-retire. Dito, as long as you hit the parameters, promotable ka. Ang kailangan lang po, one client, plus you invite one person na magiging financial advisor also and magkaroon din siya ng client. Automatic, assistant unit manager ka. What's in it for you? You have 10% override. So if your friend na na-invite is earning 100,000, then 10,000 ka doon. Eh what if 10 sila? Later on, lalaki yung team. Pag umabot nga sila talaga ng 10, nakapag-produce kayo ng 2.5 million sale, then you can be promoted as a junior unit manager, earning 50,000 to 200,000 per month. No? What's in it for you? From 10% po na override, this time 20% po yung override. So later on, lumaki pa yung grupo, umabot ng 24 yung manpower, mag-produce kayo ng 5 million, you can now become a unit manager earning 200 to 800,000 per month. No? And the override this time is 25%. Then become a branch manager earning 1 million to 2 million per month, area manager earning 2 million to 4 million per month, and district manager earning 5 million to 10 million per month. Okay? So, guys, I'm showing to you these figures, hindi para mang-hype or what. I'm showing to you these figures because ito talaga ang nangyayari sa industriya namin in insurance, specifically here in ProLife UK. And ako po personally, I can attest to those figures because that's what I am experiencing right now. So, here's an example of our earnings or commissions. Weekly basis po talaga siyang pumapasok. So, more than all of those perks na na-mention ko, the income, the travel, the bonuses, and all, what's more fulfilling and really nice about this career is this is a business of helping people. Imagine, For every client na nako-close mo, nabibigyan mo ng security yung family na yun na whatever happens, hindi maghihirap yung family na yun. So, ganun kaganda at ka-noble yung trabaho natin. No, it's really life-changing for them. And did you know, in US and in Canada, more than 95% have insurance. Sa Japan, almost lahat ng Hapon po, at least dalawa ang insurance policy. Sa Singapore, sa Hong Kong, ang mga tao pumipila para lang magpa-quote sa financial advisors. And ano yung common sa mga bansang minimension ko na to? Lahat po sila mayayaman ng bansa. At kaya sila mayaman dahil ini-embrace nila ang life insurance. Dito sa Philippines, out of the 112 million population, sadly, only 2% po ang insured. So sobrang ang dami pa ng kailangan nating ma-reach out and ma-insure. That's why we are reaching out to you also para matulungan po ninyo kami na mas marami pa yung ma-penetrate natin for insurance. And yun din yung makakatulong sa pag-angat ng bansa natin. Right? So in reality, in the Philippines, insurance is still viewed as an expense while luxury and leisure is seen as a need, sadly. No? So kanina I've shown to you all of the challenges, no? All of the perks kapag nag-FA ka. And talagang maganda ang sasabihin ko because we're encouraging you to be part of this industry. Pero to be fair with you, papakita ko rin yung challenges, no? So ano ba yung challenges usually ng mga aspirants namin dito? Yung iba walang sales background, yung iba walang time. Pero simple lang po ang solusyon dito. For those na walang sales background, training lang po ang katapat niyan. Kagaya namin, wala din kaming background sa insurance before. Pero dahil we are more than willing to learn about this career, inaral lang po talaga namin siya. Okay? And doon na lang gumaling along the way. Para naman sa mga walang oras, let's just use of our idle time. For sure, every day, meron tayo dyang 2 to 3 to 4 hours na nauubos scroll sa Facebook. Why not i-maximize natin yun para meron namang changes at magbago sa ating buhay? No, managdagan naman yung income natin. So sabi nga dito, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you are not sure if you can do it, just say yes and learn how to do it later. Okay? So lastly, ito lang yung question ko sa inyo. Ikaw na nanonood ngayon. Are you willing to pursue your dreams right now? So your answer could be yes or no. So if you say no, okay lang, we will respect that. Pero for those who said yes, contact the person who sent to you this video dahil siya ang maglalatag ng mga next steps natin. Tutulungan ka namin doon. So let me end this with this slide saying na multiple streams of income is no longer a luxury. Right now, it is a necessity. So sobrang mahal ng bilihin, kailangan marami na talaga tayong streams of income right now. Kaya this is one of the ways to solve that problem, no? Pandagdag natin ng stream. So again, welcome to the #1 life insurance company in the Philippines, PruLife UK. So it is my honor to present to you yung career ni PruLife. So if you have further queries, contact the person who sent to you this video. And again, we are looking forward to work with you soon.